R1. Ew, your tongue. Cool.
Alright, we're here.
We are combined fighter. Okay, thank you. I couldn't make up a name on the spot.
We are a combined fighter.
Okay. What, did you just have a soundboard now? What is this shit?
No, I have a phone. He got that MLG soundboard. Oh yeah.
Best app.
Oh, the good old days.
Okay.
What a shitty house!
Why?
Charles Martin? Like Charles Martinet, the voice actor for Mario? Hello, Mario.
I don't even have to speak. You just speak for me. Quick, Jared.
Charles Martin, where are you?
Give me.
Oh shit, the ghost is
He's
coming.
bro. He's coming.
I think the ghost is gone.
Did you guys hear the ghost footsteps?
We sure did.
Dude, he's active, man.
Charles Martin, are you in here? I think the ghost is in that room.
The ghost might
Cole,
be
get
in
out
here.
of there. The ghost is in there.
Ah!
It's just
I
following
hate
him.
you guys.
No.
There's a bone of some sort.
No. What is that? Jared, you're a...
It's your mom.
It's like half of a hip bone or something. If I had to guess. Or alternatively, your mother.
Oh my god. Shut the fuck up. Oh.
Oh.
There's bad things in the base. Oh my god.
Ah. A ghost.
It's negative.
I mean,
It's
that's
negative
the
in
star.
here. In here.
Charles Martin,
oh
are you in
really?
here? Say gorilla.
Oh.
I said, oh
I'm
really?
a gorilla.
Great.
Where are you?
I can't speak, man.
Are you in here?
I
Talk
can't.
to me, ghost.
Oh, I didn't hear anything.
He did the.
Oh, okay.
It was really muffled.
Not a talker, guys.
It's good to know, Jared.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Sounded so bad.
Can I get another one? Jared, can I get a fart with reverb?
No.
Oh.
Cole, can you check the book?
Oh shit.
Check the book.
Jared, bad things are happening down there. Cole. Cole, you good? Cole. Cole, speak to me, man. What happened? How are you walking like that?
He's getting a stride.
He's- Cole?
Cole is traumatized.
I heard double. I heard the radio and you downstairs. What happened, man?
I was about to update you on the book. And then he started going and he appeared as a cleared man.
Did you write in the book?
No, he appeared like right where I looked though.
Bro.
It's the
I was
worst.
trying to. It scared me, so I was pressing radio and local chat at the
Oh.
same time.
That's probably why I heard you down there going.
You guys didn't even get like the freaking dots in there.
Man.
I was trying.
All right, cool. I'll go with
Good
you.
try.
Jared, go along.
All right, Jared. Let's do
Alright,
this.
Marco, this is our time.
Do you have the dots?
I don't actually.
I threw the dots in the lawn.
Oh.
You just okay.
Where?
Well, I have it now.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
You didn't pick it up. All right.
Okay, I did it. I think.
Yeah, you did it.
Now, 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 now. Yeah.
Do 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 do.
Alright, let's all three
Oh,
go
nee.
down there.
Okay, fine. Wait. Okay, fine.
We want to play Aoni?
Gonna take a
Terrifying
big
game.
purple
Let's
hand.
all heal up.
Cole, I need a GoPro. Thank you.
You should have said I need one, not you need one.
Well,
He made a typo.
sorry, let me correct that. That's me deleting what I wrote. I don't know. Cole, you need a.
I'm gonna
That's-
have to ask you to stop.
Okay, fine.
Alright, we're all here. You
What?
Have a pair of pliers. Got a fucking hammer, as a matter of fact.
You're holding it the wrong way. You take out some nails.
Smack.
Ah! Ah, much better.
I'm in a ritual kind of mood.
I'm not. No. Oh my god. Shut the. Alright, man.
I love Jesus.
Let's do this.
It's Jesus. Say hello, Jesus.
Okay. Men, this is a one-way trip. Probably.
You've been boogie bombed. You have to
Much.
dance. Come on, you got boogie bombed.
Oh, I hate that video.
I
Was it-
love that video.
Was that the one with Ninja, or was that?
It's no, it's a very white family going up to some poor like store clerk and boogie bombing
Oh.
her.
Okay, crosses down.
Don't
Wait,
die,
wait,
Cole.
wait, wait. Did one of you guys bring a camera or something?
Yeah, I brought a
Take a
camera.
picture with it? Okay.
Maybe I shouldn't be the one to hold the camera in case it kills me. Wait, why are you lighting it? Please don't stand in the. Cole? Jared? Oh my god! What? Jared?
What?
Did
What?
you-
What was
did
happening?
you not see that?
No.
Dude, he went to the back rooms. He went to the back rooms. I'm out of here, man. I can't deal with
Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. We
Dude.
gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We
He's
gotta
not
go.
in the
We
call,
gotta go.
I don't think
Guys, I
anymore.
got disconnected.
I-
I spawned it and then I started running away and neither of you did anything on my screen. You
You
just
s-
stood still.
You spawned it?
On my screen I did and no one reacted.
I wonder if it crashed the game, but because of the... Or... I don't know. I have two...
Marco, we have a 50-50 chance of this shit.
Alright. Well, I know it's a Yuri, so...
Probably right. All right, lock it in. I'm hitting the button.